What is the time now? Kadno baje manta. It is 8 o'clock now. La day pra baje manta. It is about to get dark. Ka la jandum. Where are you going? Pidang lechay. Now this is the way to get back home. Manta kania kadai kalanti banit pai shayeng. With whom are you traveling at this moment? Pidang let jinglet batno hakane kapor. As usual, I prefer to travel alone. Kumba man kapor nga kham sotanat ban let jinglet marway. I can move faster when I am alone. Ngala ban ki khamstat dangadon marway. In this way, I can travel to many places. Hakane karukom ngala ban let shashibun ki chaka. Travel slow and enjoy yourself with the nature. Let suki bat pinkaman yala dia bat kamaryang. Use your time. Pinankam ya kapor songpi. Don't waste it. What ang pinlena ay yaka. Before it is too late. Shwa bandir no kapor. Start today. Sedang mentakasing. Take me with you. Yalam yanga bat pi. I want to travel too. Ngaru ngakwa ban leching len. Be ready to face many unknown problems. Long lakloy banyating ko yakijing bamla bantep.